It's the new Gorilla Tech. I'm a little late. Like, I think a day late. Yep, day late. But anyways, here's all you gotta know about the update in Beach. And, what is it called? Beach and Forest have water balloons everywhere. There's a new volleyball place in Beach. So if you come with me, and I'll even show you that you probably didn't know about. I love how when you first get into a lobby, it doesn't make you frozen. That's the best part of the Gorilla Tag. I'm gonna get the fireworks and what is it called? But watch, look at this. Look how well designed this is. Look at. If it has to go past that line to have it, so it means like, you see, look, it counts it. It doesn't like do it like how the paintbrush one does. Like, see, look. See, it just teleports, and there's different songs. I think if you 3's the max, and then you win, and the team that you're on wins. Give me one reason why I shouldn't kill you. Ah! I'm flying away! What did you say to me, you monkey? Got him. Like wood. Oh yeah, and it's really hard to swim now, I think. Or I'm just really tired and need to go to bed. Because I fell asleep at 5 o'clock p.m. No, I fell asleep at 5 a.m. yesterday. I fell asleep at 5 a.m. yesterday. And now it's 11 a.m. So I've been awake for more than a day. For longer than a day, like probably like a day and a half. You want to play Sharks and Minnows? I want to try to hit the ball as high as I can and then throw it at your balls. Hold up, let's see if it will go into different bodies of water. No, don't get it back in the water. Bacon. Bacon. Here, hold up, guys. I'm coming over here. Mission: get volleyball out of the water. Or beach ball out of the water. Mission has failed. Nope, never mind. Mission is back on. They can Don't get him back in the water. If you get him back in the water, you're gay and no one loves you. Hold up, stop. Stop it, you autistic boy. No, I'm just joking. I'm getting mad. I know, I'm just joking. This is my first time I actually can't be rude or because I can't edit because I post too long of a video and the MetaQuest app been weird. It's like I try to sync it to the MetaQuest app and it doesn't even put it in the app. But anyways, next thing to do. So come with me. Boo. Okay, so under the sea flashback. Ow. But anyways. Got this. Dang. Okay, so next thing is the water blower. So next is rubber ducky. That's not new. Popsicle. Doesn't work, it just drips. The flamingo. It's not a flamingo. This, you know what this is called? It's called the bubbler. So anyways, this is ice cream. Sunburnt. Looks like a ghost, but sunscreen. Okay, we got pink glasses, we got green, black, and blue glasses. Okay, next thing is they both cost 4,000. They both cost 4,000. This is what the thing does. So hit off one surface and bounce off another and then pop. So you hit him, it's gonna shoot and then ricochet onto this and explode. See, look. Hold up, you didn't see it. You can see it. But anyways, with the marshmallow, you can eat it. Gotta let it grow back though, so. No, I'm just joking. See how it turned red? You can roast the marshmallow. And if you don't want people touching your marshmallow, just put it under here and do this because it does the same thing. See how it's cooking right now? Even though it's not even in the fire. It's still cooking, so no one can eat your marshmallow. And once you're done, you take the marshmallow out. Oh, and I just disabled the marshmallow. That's the end of the marshmallow. But anyway, see how it's cooking? Bro, you gotta smooth. No, you didn't hear me. You can't hear me. Come on. Hey, please don't say anything bad because I'm gonna have to restart my whole video because I don't have editing skills. But anyways, see? So good. Shut your. I'm joking. So yeah, that's like it. I have nothing. I don't think there's anything else to discuss. And all the time. You wanna play mini